You met John when John was married, correct?
Correct.
How long had you been married, John?
I was about 8, 9 years.
Nearly a
like that,
decade, right?
Yeah.
Yes. And what was your eyesight like at that stage?
25% peripheral vision, roughly at that time.
Now, that still would... You'd still be legally blind in those circumstances, more or less.
Sir.
In fact, you would be legally blind, right?
Borderline.
Yeah. And you certainly would be entitled to a range of benefits, and certainly at that stage, even with some assistance, you'd be entitled to a carer, correct?
Sir.
You moved in together.
Yeah.
John moved into your property, and as I understand at the time, you were receiving some housing benefit, correct?
I was, yeah.
Now, just to be clear, at the time John moved in, who was it that got in touch with the local authorities and dealt with all of the various issues that needed to be dealt with in respect of benefits and things?
John did.
Is that right, John?
Yes, sir.
So you made your telephone call to whoever the relevant person was and explained that you were moving in with Louise, correct?
Sir.
Did you have anything to deal with it after that phone call?
No, I didn't.
Did you ever receive the letters, Louise? Ever look at the letters, ever check them?
No, I didn't.
John, now I'm going to ask you this question. Are you able to read your own letters?
I was at that particular time.
Very helpful.
Yes.
You don't stay there, do you? At some point you move.
Yeah, we moved.
How long were you in that property before you moved?
It was about a year, I think, if not a few months.
As I understand it, you decided to go north, is that right?
We stayed at my nan's and then we moved up to Motherwell.
At the time you were in receipt of housing benefit, it went directly to whom?
In my bank account.
Your bank account. You checked your bank account from time to time?
No, I didn't.
Well, who checked your bank account?
It was down to John because I didn't need to check it.
Don't look over there, please.
Sorry, sir.
I didn't need to check it because I didn't have anything really coming in or out of it.
Well, did you use that bank account for anything?
No, it was
Did
just...
you take... Talking. Did you take money out? Did you withdraw cash? Anything of that kind?
It was only to do the household, you know, get the shopping and everything.
Well,
and
so you
pay the
did
bill.
use that bank account. But you're saying you never checked it. Did he have a card on it?
Yeah, they used my card.
No, sir.
You never used the card?
No, sir. When I moved in, I put in for the housing benefits and income support and everything else. It all went into my bank account.
Whether or not you had control of the bank account or not, you had a duty to disclose, bearing in mind it was the house that you had rented, the benefit in favour of you, to notify the council as soon as you moved out. Did you do that?
Yeah.
What evidence do you have of that?
I don't have any evidence.
Right. Why then, and this is the point, what you're claiming for is that the council have chased you for a debt. In other words, what happened is they carried on paying your housing benefit. How long for?
Oof.
A while?
A while, yeah.
5 months, roughly?
About that, yeah.
When did you notice that, having not received an income from work, realise, oh, good Lord, I've got a bit of extra cash in here?
See, I didn't know what was going into the account because I didn't check it. And I didn't know about this until 2010.